Menteri Phaikhmat ia katanat company boarding ke Sorkar Jelau Abu Tahir Mondal ulapen pau ia kejing sngau kuslai halor kejing Hiar kejing dan hapung Umïam ulaong bagajing duna ke hakapung Umïam kan sakta ia kejing penmi boarding bat pen pau bagajing dan ke mentah hapung Umïam kadang beteng Henry kejing long jingman kala ban kala ke basong hakane ke ayom liur Ulaong tip hadu katnu kani ke liur kan yat laj balada uslap uwan an sayok bun ke kabanam ketapat ya kejing penmi boarding electric.
Naturally, when water is not there, it is a matter of concern. It is not that it is not a matter of concern. We wish that the water will come soon and fill up the reservoir. We are working closely. I am more tense than you are. No, releasing water is not a question that we are releasing water to just go out of the reservoir. The way we are telling that we are releasing the water outside of our tunnels and all these things. No, when energy will be generated, water will reset automatically. No?
There was a mechanism.
Lean period last time, yes, we had sufficient power with us. So we thought that as power is already available with us, let us close this gate. So that's how we got more water accumulated in the reservoir.
In winter, are we saving?
Now, it is too early to predict anything. As of now, we are okay, but I don't know how long monsoon will elude us, and it will depend on all that. Yeah, if monsoon is okay, then we will get lots of water. Suppose we release the water and it submerges the bridge there. So that will be not allowed, no? So they will take the high flood level, and it will be bridge will be over that high flood level.
But the force of the water when released from the dam,
that they will take care of. That is no problem. I don't think that will be a problem. See, the thing is that when the monsoon is good, water is available, generation will be high. When monsoon is less, means water level is less, definitely it will affect the generation. I am not telling that no, it is not affecting the generation. See, I will give an example of Ganol. Ganol's the maximum capacity is 22.5 megawatt. This time when the pre-monsoon was hitting us, you might have seen those garbages and all these things accumulating there in Ganol. Those few days we generated even 24 megawatt, means 0.5 megawatt per unit we have generated more. So more water means more generation naturally.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya